you recording?
Yeah.
It's like a bike. It's just a break.
Day 2 of Motor Vlog, and we're going to a party. I kind of feel obligated to show up. No, we're going straight. Come on. My mom's gonna be at this party. She hates that I have a motorcycle. And my dad was involved in a motorcycle accident about 24 years ago. First of all, he's fine. He's disabled, but he's fine. Totaled my uncle's Hayabusa. For one, it was too much bike for him, and a car didn't see him, and he lost control. Slammed into a barrier, fell over the barrier. Got shredded because he wasn't wearing gear. That was a really long recovery time because she got addicted to opioids. There's all these bots. I take my MSF course sometime this month. I just need to request some days off from work. I'd rather do that during a weekday. Plus, it's like $50 cheaper.
What is wrong with you?
My mom was upset.